Now, the study of interactions between microorganisms and their environment. Ecology actually the study of ecosystem. And what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is the environment where the living things and the non-living things interact with one another. This is the ecology where we see the living organisms are the microorganisms, and how these microorganisms actually interact with the higher organisms and their environment, and how do they play the positive role and play the negative role. So the following example is just about a bacteria, right? So it's a nitrifying bacteria, or for example the nitrosomonas bacteria. Well, to talk about the nitrifying bacteria, we have to know about the nitrogen cycle. The diagram shows that the nitrogen exists in two or three forms. That is, in the atmospheric nitrogen, means nitrogen gaseous form. Then it is in the form of ammonia, like NH3. Then it goes into the nitrates and nitrites, which is the usable form of the nitrogen. We or plants or other organisms, unlike bacteria, can't use the nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. So we need someone that will change that atmospheric nitrogen into something we can use, or something the other organisms can use, and then they convert it for us to be used. We need the microorganisms that will turn or nitrogen into the ammonia first. No one else other than the microorganisms can use the unusable form of nitrogen. The nitrogen bacteria gave us actually a present, and now that is used by plants and fungi and other bacteria, and then the plants are used by or eaten by the herbivores, and the herbivores were eaten by the carnivores, and the carnivores were eaten by the omnivores. So that was just the role of the microbe in the environment, ecology, and specifically nitrogen fixation. They has role in the carbon cycle, oxygen cycle. They have a lot of roles.